Hello, today we are going to cook
Ukrainian Varenyky with meat,
caramel sweets and lemonade.
First, we are going to cook Ukrainian Varenyky with meat.
To make fillet, we need meat,
Some pepper, salt,
and onion.
and now stir.
Second step is dough.
For that we need salt, egg, water, oil,
And stir.
continue stir.
Yes, sir. Hey. Yes, sir. Hey. Yes, sir. Hey. Yes, sir.
And now we are going put salt and varenyky in the boiling water. And now we are going to do lemonade. For lemonade we need to chop lemon and orange.
We are taking out varenyky. And put some sugar in lemonade and stir.
And now we are going to do caramel sweets. To make this we need sour cream, sugar and butter.
First, we need to mix all our ingredients. Now we melt sour cream and sugar to caramel color.
When it's done, put butter in it.
Then we need to put it in the forms and put in the cold place for 2 or 3 hours.